Hello Dickies, welcome to our MS Power Automate Dexter tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about comment action. So let's learn about what is the parameter of comment action and what is the benefit of comment action. So let's open Power Automate desktop and see the parameter of comment action, and after this we will also discuss about the benefit of comment action. So here now I am on pad. So let's search first the action. Here you can see your comment action is available under the flow control. So just double click on it. Here you can see the parameter of comment action are comment, and here you can mention a comment as per your requirement. If you are creating a flow like file automation, folder automation, web automation, if you want to describe about that flow, that time you can use comment action, and in comment field of parameter you can mention the your comment so that other can easily understand what exactly this flow means. So I hope you understood about comment action. So here you can see I have already created a flow, and also I am using comment in this flow so that we can understand about this flow. So let's discuss first what I did in this flow. After this we will discuss about the benefit of comment action. Here you can see I am using comment here, comment action. In comment parameter I am mentioning checking file exists in a folder with the help of below action. Here you can see I am using if file exists action, and in file exists action parameter I am selecting exist, and file path here I am selecting the file, and after this I am using display message. If the condition is true, it will display file exist. And after this I am here you can see I am using another comment action, and here I am mentioning checking file does not exist in a folder with the help of below action. So here you can see I am selecting here does not exist. So this is the way you can also use comment action in your flow so that anyone can understand your flow easily. Suppose I am not using here this comment action. So how can anyone understand what exactly we are doing with the help of this flow? So best practice if you are creating a flow, so that time you can use comment action. So let's discuss the benefit of comment action. So adding comments to your Power Automate desktop flow can greatly improve the readability and understandability of your automation. By inserting short notes or conscious notes throughout your flow, you can better communicate the purpose and function of each step to both yourself and other users. Whether you are building a complex workflow or a simple one-step process, taking a time to add commands can save you and your team valuable time and effort. So next time, whenever you are building a flow in Power Automate desktop, remember to include commands action as a best practice to keep your automation clear and organized. So I hope you understood about the parameter of comment action and the benefit of comment action. So thank you for watching this video guys. We will meet in a next video.